Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can change the website design of your website within Beehiiv. So once you're in your dashboard, you need to go to the settings in the left sidebar and then tap on website. And as you can see, you can change the colors. So you can change the primary color, make this for example red, make this greenish, something like this. I'll make this for example gray. Of course you can just use your brand colors right here. And then the layout, you can make this in newspaper layout if you want to, but I definitely prefer the default layout. So the landing page, so as you can see right now my landing page has a white background. You can change that to dark if you want to, dark. So when I refresh right now, it becomes a dark background. So you just need to check if that fits your brand colors, etc. on just what you prefer. I prefer light, as well as the content page is just light. Now the typography, so if you do not have any inspiration like what fonts you need to use, you can go to Google Fonts and you can filter it on categories, and you can just filter this and to find fonts you like. So for example, you can filter it and you can search just fonts you like. For example, Poppins, Open Sans, and again Open Sans. I like the default fonts. But you can, as you see, you can filter, you can search on Google Fonts. Now buttons and forms, the style of the forms and the buttons on your site. So now they are all a bit roundish, as you can see, but you can make this square. And now it becomes a square, but I definitely prefer the round, the round button. And the images, so now if I add a logo, this is not a logo right now, but if I add a logo, there is shadow, you know. But if you want the shadow to be large, you can do that, and we can refresh it. As you see, the shadow improved. So as you see, the style of the image or the style of the images on your site, so you can choose between small, medium, large, or none. I prefer medium, just the default settings. You also can change the settings of the analytics, advanced pages, navbar, and comments if you want to. But yeah, you just need to check it on your own. You have a lot of options. It's actually pretty easy. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.